tutorial for this theme. Go to Chrome. Search for Voidfall theme. And click the NTZ theme. Download. If you haven't downloaded it yet, download it first. Go to Chrome and download Lemon Bluery. This theme is also for iOS, icon and for favorites tray. Go to Pinterest. And search for Dark Wallpaper Tokyo. Download for Lock Screen Wallpaper. And search for Dark Wallpaper Widget. Download every photo that you like. Search for Dark Wallpaper Solar System 4 Home Screen Wallpaper. Find this and download it. Go to Theme.
Customize theme.
Lock screen and tap Voidfall. Apply. Icons. Find Voidfall and apply it for icons. Favorites tray. And find Lemon Bluery for dock and apply it. And for wallpaper you can choose whatever you want. You can add widget too. And that's all. Thank you for watching.